Sidekicks are a Miro AI feature that brings AI-powered experts on the canvas to help you work better and faster. Whether you need a product marketing expert to review your go-to market plan before you present it, a product leader to offer fresh solution ideas to enhance your brainstorming session, or an agile coach to quickly identify concrete next steps after your team retro, you can call on AI Sidekicks for help. Normally, when you use Miro AI, or other generative AI tools for that matter, you start by entering a prompt, a description of the task you want the AI to carry out. The more detailed and precise the prompt, the better the output. But in case of Sidekicks, the prompts for specific tasks are already built in, so you don't have to worry about that part at all. What's more, Sidekicks are developed using specialized knowledge for relevant domains like product development or product marketing, which means they understand the context of the task better and are able to provide richer and more relevant insights. To get this expert advice, first select the board content that you want them to look at. Then click on the Miro AI icon, select the action you want the Sidekick to perform, and watch it get to work. As is always a good practice when working with any AI tool, be sure to review the output and edit it as needed. Relevant AI sidekicks are also included in certain intelligent templates, such as the Product Brief Brainstorm or the Go-to-Market Plan, among others. So when you use one of these templates, you can call on the embedded sidekick by clicking the corresponding button. Miro's AI sidekicks bring fresh perspective and offer expert feedback within a matter of seconds, empowering you to make well-rounded decisions and move forward faster.